Hello, this is Aureline. So for today's video na ako karon sa Cabeza de Buenavista located just along National Highway of Banapa, Buenavista. So karon dili lang house and lot ang atong i-feature kundi we also have commercial lots. So for those investors or business owners na gusto mag-expand sa ilang business here in Cabeza de Buenavista, or for those who are planning to build a business here in Cabeza de Buenavista, watch this video and this is for you.
Cabeza de Buenavista will be a community where everything you need is within your reach. A community that provides convenience and wellness to people towards Progressive Buenavista.
Natay si MDI na which is nag-start na sila. MRI Development Institute.
Card.
So, karon ongoing ang ilang expansion sa likod. Actually, nara sila sa ilang expansion in preparation for their college. So, nagbuhat na silang gymnasium sa likod para dila mo doing ang pioneering batch sa CMDI. Then, asad napod tayo isa kay school. Kaning Starland International School, kaning doa. Asad napod today si Macdo, nakapalit just along National Highway. Wow. Then, operating na si Cardbox since 2021. Kaning lot 2, na gasoline station daw, local gasoline station na rin. Then, kani is hotel.
Wow, may hotel.
Sa